What is an ETF? Well, in simple terms, an ETF, which is actually called an exchange traded fund, is a basket or container of stocks which you own. An ETF contains multiple companies' shares. For example, you can have Microsoft shares, Amazon shares, Apple shares, or even MicroStrategy shares in your ETF pot. An ETF can also be bought and sold like individual stocks. Compared to the traditional ways of purchasing stocks, you don't need to buy the full share or the full stock itself, nor have to click on each company and buy it individually. You can buy a fund which has many stocks within one ETF. Therefore, ETFs offer diversification. What does that mean? It makes it lower risk at the end of the day, because if one stock was to go all the way down, that doesn't mean your whole portfolio has gone down. It'll just be one aspect of it. So when buying ETFs, just do note that these are only tradable on the normal trade days on stock exchanges. It's not 24/7 like the crypto market. So if you are interested in ETFs, I have a little fund which I use on Trading 212. This is my own little pot, my own little fund. Do feel free to copy my pie, and do check my website out, because on my website I have information of all the shares and stocks that I purchase, and I've got information of my crypto asset portfolio, something that everybody should be interested in if you're interested in finance and wealth management. But yeah, do have a look, and do comment down below if you have any information regarding this, and if you did find this video and content useful. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you want videos regarding crypto, stocks, finance, and helpful guides which do help people from my understanding anyway. But yeah, lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.